Well, g'day guys. This is the first and probably for a while the only no prep video I'll be doing. I know I promised probably a couple of weeks ago that I'd be doing a no prep video. The weather has been crap, there's no other way of putting it, but I've managed to find some time and some nice weather. However, as you can see from my attire, I'm not in the shorts and t-shirt. Currently right now, as I'm recording this, we're in autumn here in Australia, and someone decided to turn the fridge on today. So we are at the normal location for where I do my no prep running, and we have my DR10M ready to do some passes. We have the team manager observing, making sure I am doing everything correctly. So I'm going to put a battery pack in this and we are going to get up and running. So I'll be back momentarily. Alrighty. We have steering, yes. What do you reckon, boss? We ready? Yep. Alright. Let's make a pass. Hopefully we make a successful one. Oh, better not forget the phone. Okay. Let's do a quick burnout. Yep. Alrighty. Drag. Start. Alright guys. Oh. Let's see how we go. As I suspected. Yeah, unfortunately guys, because it's been so long since I have done some no prep passes here, there's been a ton of debris on, and like I've blown it down, but it would appear that I need to do a little bit more, because as you just saw, it just lit the tires up. There was just no grip whatsoever. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause and blow the surface down a bit more. As you can see, there's a bit of dirt. I might move over somewhere else just so I'm not on the dirt patch, and we will try again. Alrighty, I blown the surface down again. We will give this another go. As usual, team boss will be observing. Let's go. Might give it a real good burnout this time. Alright. Let's see. Drag. Start. I'm going to do a half throttle start and go from there. Well, I hope that wasn't off my car. Alright, I will be back momentarily. Alright guys, this could be a bit of a bummer today, I'm not sure. So, I think part of the problem is surface temperature. I mean, I'm no expert by any means. However, I'm going to, instead of just standing on the throttle, I'm going to just ease it on. And I know it's going to be boring, but we'll see how we go. Alright. Drag. Start. Ease on the throttle. Alright, that went much better. You can hear all the debris coming off it as it's going along. I think that is the biggest issue I am having. Okay. Surely I said read. Alright, 76 kilometers an hour. I know, look, I know a lot of you no prep guys are like, it's not meant to be metric. Look, I don't care. But that was a 3-second pass. Like I said, I didn't just stand on the throttle. Yeah, but like I said, like as you could hear as it was coming back, you could just hear the debris flicking up on the shell as it was going along. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to pause here for a moment, let the motor cool, and I'll be back with another pass, hopefully. Alrighty guys, I'm about ready to try another pass. I have switched to a different battery pack. I was using the Zombie pack here. It's a 6,900 milliamp hour pack. It's meant to be rated at 300C. Not sure if that's legit or not. But I have, since I've put the Trinity RevTech Eliminator pack in, it's a physically bigger battery pack, so I'm hoping that it keeps the extra weight up the front here, keeps the nose down a bit better. But yeah, we'll see how we go. So I will be with you momentarily and we'll see how we go. Alright, let's do a burnout. I'll do a clean at the back here, get the rocks off. Alright. Alright. Yep. Alrighty. Okay, let's see, we'll aim it that way. Okay, drag, start. I will ease onto the throttle and we'll see how we go. Fuck. Alrighty, I'll be back. Well, you know how some people say, oh, you know, just one more game, or with model aircraft, one more flight. Well, this was just one more pass, I think. Yeah, that hit. I've lost the tire off one of the wheels here, and there's that pretty. Like, it doesn't look too bad, but it's damaged the actual wheel itself. It's done something to the wheelie bar. So yeah, that was a decent enough hit, and as you can see, the team manager is not impressed. So unfortunately guys, that is it. I'm afraid that was it. I've got to pull this apart now and inspect it, see what the damage is. But there is always next time. I might come out again and do another video. I might even do another video on one of my other cars. We'll see how we go. And you're right there? Nope, still not talking to me, not impressed. Alright. So that's it, fellas. I hope you enjoyed this video, even though as short and boring as it was. Until then, enjoy your hobby and cheers.